how to install packages and load into RStudio. So for example, let's first install Tidyverse as an example. So what we can do, we can use this installer packages, and inside double quotation just enter the name of your package you want to install. Just select this and run. It will install all the packages. To use it, you still need to import into your current file you're working on. So to import, just use this library method provided by RStudio and the package name. This will load the library into your current working directory. Now you will be able to use it. Thanks for watching.